Hi, I'm Richard, CEO of Yatter, and I'm here today with Greg Friel to hopefully demonstrate the unique feature of Yatter, which is partnering. Welcome, Greg.
Thanks very much, Richard. So what's partnering? If it's a unique feature to Yatter, it's going to be something I haven't experienced before.
It's very different if you've used schedulers before. The idea behind Yatter is that you can partner with other people and gain a preview of their content. And that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to actually create a partnership with somebody else.
All right, okay, cool.
So I'm going to ask you to take control of the mouse, and if you move to the top of the screen to the dual bar buttons at the top and open one of the buttons. There we go. And this has opened a bar on the left. And what you need to do now is select Find New Partners. Perfect. And this will bring up a list of all the partners that are available. And today we've set something up already with a friend, so we're going to ask you to search for the word contact. Superb.
Slowest typer ever.
That's you. And thankfully Alan's come up first on the list. And so now what I'm going to ask you to do is to select the Add Partner or Offer Partnership button, which is there. And this will open another bar on the other side of the interface. And this is you actually in the process of making Alan an offer. Right. So you can fill in the introduction section if you want to put a nice message in there to introduce yourself. But it's not mandatory. So all you have to do is click the offer button.
Okay.
Fantastic. And now you have made an offer of partnership to Alan. Now, in true style, we have obviously pre-arranged this. So Alan is currently in the process of accepting that partnership, which I'm hoping should be done fairly quickly. And now what you should be able to do, and you should be able to see it, should say that Alan has accepted your partnership in the bottom. If you go to the top left into the canvas menu, which is the burger menu at the top on the left.
Would that be here?
That's the one. And if you select My Partners.
Yep.
There we go. Perfect. Now what you should see is Alan is now your partner.
I see.
So what the last thing we're going to do is we're going to open a chat with Alan, because now that you've become partners, you can actually chat through Yatter with each other. And so if you click the button on the left-hand side of the brick, this will start a chat. And this is an opportunity just to give the chat a title, maybe an introduction message. So if you want to just say something as a title, just as a test, or that's ideal. And then start the conversation at the bottom. Oh, we're going to have a wee intro chat. It's fine.
All right, okay. Down at the
it's
bottom.
alright, you can just say hello, it's fine. It's not, this bit isn't mandatory.
All right, okay, so I can just say hi there.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And
then select Start Conversation.
I see.
And what this does is it should start a conversation with Alan, and this has happened. And you should see your chat. Now, hopefully, Alan at this point is going to respond and actually say something back. There we go.
All right, okay.
So Alan has now managed to respond to that chat. And what you can do in this chat is actually talk about content. You can drop content in. And also you can control the phone notifications on the right-hand side. The 4 buttons on the right-hand side of the chat control how people are notified within the chat.
I can share pictures or other content or video or whatever to Alan so that he can then share that content.
That's the idea, is really that this is a great place where you and other people and other organisations can actually have a very open conversation about the type of content that you're doing, and also to schedule interaction and to actually work on each other's content.
Right, I see.
So we hope it's a fairly open and shared area, but it is. We have to stress it is very open for people. There may be a number of people talking in these chats, and it isn't certainly a private chat.
So this isn't just an exclusive chat between me and Alan?
So it's between your organisations. So the idea is that if you have 5 employees and Alan has 10 employees, potentially there are 15 people that are going to see this chat.
Right,
and it's a way whereby 2 organisations can actually arrange their content, and everybody then that's involved in that process can see what is going on.
Right, okay.
That's the idea behind it. It's quite a unique chat feature, and our partnering as well is quite unique. And because you're now partnered with Alan, you should now have a preview of all of Alan's content and be able to see it in the future.
Right, I see.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Greg, for taking this time to have a play with some of our partnering features.
Sure, you're very welcome. Thank you.
And we hope you enjoy using the system.
Brilliant, thank you.